friends, welcome to Dipansh Video Time. Today I'm going to show you how I made this quiz game with 2 hard questions. So this could be an idea for you. You can choose or else if you don't want 2 questions, you can choose more than 2. So let's start. These are the 3 main things you need for the game. 1 character to say all the questions, which for me is KZ. 3 backdrops, which is 1 normal backdrop, which is any backdrop. 1 backdrop with you lose and 1 backdrop with you win written. And then 4 main variables: heart, point, total hearts, total points. So let me show how I made it. When flag clicked, set backdrop to baseball 2. So then set point to 0 and set heart to 1. Set total hearts to 1, set total points to 2. Then for this I have to type. This block is not anywhere. Just take say hi, it will be in looks, and type say hi. Are you ready for the quiz challenge? Let's start. And you can put 5 seconds, 2 seconds, any seconds you want. And then wait for 0.9 seconds. And then the first question is gonna be, what is 300 plus 500? And wait. So if you get the answer 800, then it will change point by 1, or else it will change heart by -1. Switch backdrop to blue sky 2 if you get it wrong, and it will change heart by -1 and it will stop all. So as you can see, this is how you make it for the change heart. So it's like it should be in. So it should be like that. So you can just type -1. That's okay. Then for the next question, you should put wait 0.9 seconds and then ask what is 1000 plus 1000, and wait. If answer is 2000, then change point by 1, switch backdrop to backdrop 1 and stop all. So backdrop 1 is for me is this. If you get this question wrong, change heart by -1, switch backdrop to 2 and switch backdrop to blue sky 2 and then stop all. So from all this code, this will how the game go. Like that. Hi, are you ready for the quiz challenge? Let's start. What is 300 plus 500? As you know, if you get only 1 wrong, it will disturb you. Like 2, 3, 4, I put, bam, lost. But if you get both correct, because I coded it, so I should get both correct. So 800 correct, 1 point, 1 heart, 1 total heart is still 1, and total point 2. 2000. Make sure of the zeros. I only put the 0. So point equals to 2. If the points matches to the total points, you win. So this is for some medium beginners. So thank you for watching Dipansh Video Time, and please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.